What's up? It's Sporting Range. Today I'm gonna really be doing a simple video on Rick Owens. A lot of YouTubers or reviewers, I don't really know what you call it, but post a lot about Rick Owens, and usually it's about a specific shoe or specific shoes, which are the Ramones and the Geo baskets. And today I'm gonna definitely be talking about the Ramones, but hopefully I could provide like a different perspective on the shoe and a little bit of like more experience with the shoe. Because from what I've seen, a lot of people just started getting into the Rick Owens stuff, and that might be their first purchase. And sometimes I feel like a lot of information is misled, or people kind of all say the same exact thing. So pretty much I'm gonna do the old and the new. So first, I have a pair of Rick Owens booties from the Dark Shadow line. 2017, I think. I got these a trip. I was going to Paris. I got these to wear on the trip, and man, these are my favorite shoes that I have. Out of a lot of shoes, these are my favorites. Made in Italy, you know, canvas, kind of like nylon neoprene situation on the upper, and then you got the rubber on the sole, with the shark tooth sole. I love how they look now. I mean, I wore these like a month throughout Europe, really only this shoe, and people say they're uncomfortable or they're heavy, but to me it almost feels like you have like a shield on your foot. So I love this shoe a lot, and the way that it's like looks now, the character it has now after being worn, and you know, kind of just being worn. A lot of people complain about the heel drag, but I think that's really more so a testament to how people walk. Like, mine don't have that much heel drag, and I've worn these easily over 100 times. Easily over 100 times. So a lot of people say, oh, the heel drag or this and that. I think it's just how people walk, because it's a little heavy. So you have to just be mindful to like walk flat. Don't like let the shoe do that while you walk. Don't go heel to toe. Just walk flat. And I sometimes walk actually on my toes, so I'm walking in the opposite way. I have more front, I have more front drag, more toe drag than heel drag. If you look under there, I have a nice little amount of toe drag. But like I said, I wore these 100 times. And in Europe, I didn't take a train once. I was walking from Eiffel Tower to Pigalle to everywhere. The only place I got in the car to go was the LVMH museum. But this the old pair. I'm wearing Rick Owens pants also today. The long johns. The women's version. And then we have the new pair. This is a fall and winter 2021 pair. Retail on these was $1,165. It came out to like 12 something after tax. And these are a little bit different than what I had just shown you guys. These are the leather version. So when you buy Rick Owens sneakers, they do come with the tote bag, which you probably see people like wearing or trying to sell on Grill for like $25 or something. It's free. It comes with the shoes. Then you also get, sometimes depending on the shoe, you get an extra pair of laces. And then this is essentially like the product card. Talks about the leather and, you know, keeping the leather in a dark, cool place and such. So that's the box. That's how this looks. These are a new pair, leather pair. These are great. I haven't had a leather pair I try to buy the least amount of leather as possible. I do have a pair of Chrome Hearts leather pants that I wear in another video on my channel if you guys want to check it out. Yeah, so this is like really the second other like calf skin leather thing that I have. These have a leather toe cap instead of the rubber toe cap. The only rubber part on this shoe is the sole. Everything else is leather. So the upper is leather, toe cap is leather, everything is leather. This mainline version is a little bit different than the dark shadow versions. I think actually on these, yeah, so on the bottom of these it says dark shadow. And then on the bottom of these, it says Rick Owens. These are essentially, man, I feel like Rick Owens, like I said earlier, like it's like an armor on your feet, you know. So as you wear them, they do change a little bit. They do age differently than a lot of other shoes. They look more beautiful as they're worn. I've had those ones for some years now, and they're great. Like wearing them, I just wore them 2 days ago, and I get the same feeling as when I wore them the first time. So I really love those, and I love these as well. I try to not buy any of these just based off the simple fact that it's like a hype shoe now. I kind of see somebody wearing a rendition of the Ramones every time I leave the house. And just personally, I don't really like to wear a lot of the stuff that other people wear, even though we all wear things differently. It's just a pride thing, I guess. But I did go ahead and bite the bullet on these. So I can have a shoe to just beat and wear a lot and know that it can go with anything. I've worn Rick Owens shoes with, you know, basketball shorts, Eric Emanuel shorts, Dickies, Carhartt pants, Carhartt cargos, Rick Owens pants, Chrome Hearts pants, everything, and they just go with everything. It's such a versatile shoe. But yeah, these are awesome. You have the zipper on the inside. The laces are quite long on the shoe. This is how I lace mine when it comes like European lace. But normally when you lace it normal, like traditional lacing, the laces aren't so long. But this is how long the shoelace is. It's pretty long. Yeah, other than that, man, it's a pretty simple shoe. A lot of reviewers, I feel, say things that are a little bit like personal about the shoe and try to make it like it's the shoe's fault, or it's the design of the shoe that makes it like this, or just walk different. Like, just pay attention to how you're walking. The shoe is obviously an extremely high quality shoe. I feel like I'd rather buy a shoe from Rick Owens every time, you know, a shoe that's $1,000 and up every time from Rick Owens, as opposed to buying it from like Gucci or Louis Vuitton or even Louboutin or Amiris. Amiris are like $750 for the scale tops. I'd rather spend, you know, a couple extra $100 on something like this that I know out of personal experience is gonna last and gets more beautiful with age. It's almost like the best pair of raw denim, but for shoes, pretty much. Because it doesn't necessarily crease too much in the toe area. It creases kind of after the toe. It'll kind of crease here, but it actually adds life to the shoe. It doesn't make you feel like, oh man, like my shoe is like kind of ruined, I gotta get another pair of shoes. It's not like Air Forces or Ones, kind of, or even Dunks, stuff like that. When you wear it, it kind of just looks a little different. But yeah, these are 41. I'm at 8.5, 9. These are 41. And yeah, I will probably make a video of like wearing clothes with these. I don't really know yet, but I'm also gonna show you guys some stuff. This is like stuff I got in 2020 that I haven't worn yet. is, yeah, it still has the tags on it. This is a sweater. I initially bought the pants for this. I just like how the design is because it's kind of reversible. I haven't worn this yet. I kind of forgot about it until now, but it's heating up anyway, so I probably won't be able to wear this until the winter. But yeah. So it's kind of reversible. And the pants do the same thing as well. It's pretty much just like a crew neck sweater. And then this was really cool. This reminded me of like a hospital gown. It's white, obviously, and the fit of it is just like crazy. It's roomy, but it's tailored. It's roomy, but it's fitted. It's fitted, but it's roomy. It's kind of a mix of everything. This one's a little bit lighter than the sweater. I still don't think I'll wear it in the summer, so I'll probably have to hold off on this until the winter as well. But yeah, this is a good one too. And then it has the rig situation on the inside. I have like more rig stuff. I have some more shirts and some more bottoms and stuff like that I'll probably show in another video. I just figured I could show these at the same time because they were literally right where I sat this bag last night. But yeah, man, once again, the old, the new, Rick Owens, Ramones. I'm trying to basically have a micro closet now, so I'm trying to get down to like 5 pairs of shoes, 6 pairs of shoes that I have. I have quite a few up there and then in my closet as well. But yeah, man, if you get the shoe, wear it as much as you can. The heel drag is inevitable on any shoe. Toe drag is inevitable on any shoe. But when you're wearing a heavier shoe like these, or even like a Triple S, or the chunky Gucci sneaker, the heavier the shoe, the more difficult it is to be mindful of how you're walking because you're already lugging around more weight on your feet. So you have to be conscious of like how you're stepping around, like what you're doing. It's not the shoe. The shoe is not the problem. It's how you wear the shoe and how you walk with it. Everything is not the same. So you're not gonna walk in this the same way that you would Ultra Boost shoe or Jordan 1 or something that's really light. You're kind of just going. But these are a little heavy, a little clunkier, so they will, you know, alter how you walk a little bit. So just be mindful of it. Other than that, man, the shoes are great. They're fantastic. They last forever. Don't wear fluffy cotton socks because it'll be very difficult to get your feet in and out of these. Wear a thinner, more smooth sock. But yeah, let me know if you guys want any type of like on foot video or review. This is more so just like a guide, I guess, like a Rick Owens Ramone guide or Rick Owens shoe guide in general. But yeah, have a great week. I'll upload this, and then yeah, give me feedback and stuff too, because I'm new to this. I don't even know like if I'm gonna continue doing this or not, but yeah, let me know. Peace.